Hmm?
Land. There were several Ankylosaurus species, but all had very similar characteristics.